What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a custom URL or link field in Salesforce. So here, let's get right to it. As you can see, I'm on my Salesforce main dashboard right now, and you want to go to settings here and then click on open advanced setup. It'll open up the full settings page in a new tab. In the search here, type in object manager. Okay, here it is, the object manager. Click on it. And from there, just select the object that you want to add a custom field or custom link field to it. Let's say I want to select account, click on it. And from here, go to fields and relationships and then click on new. And you want to scroll down to select the URL as the field type. Then click next. And here the field label, that's how the field will look like, or the label will be. Let's say website. Field name, let's leave it as this, website. You can add a description if you want to, help text. Now you can here add a default value. You should show a formula, or you should add here a formula. And now click on next here. And now go ahead and check the field level security. Okay, if it's good, just go ahead and click on next. Okay, now the field label, they'll give you like a summary. So the field label, the type, the field name. Okay, looking good. Save. And now your URL field is now added or created successfully. And if you scroll down here in the list, you should see here your website label is created and the type is URL.